Chemicals, that stock is up around 11 odd percent, showing good amount of volume traction as well. This is after the company has successfully completed the Brazilian Health Regulatory Agency ANVISA's GMP audit, which is basically a good manufacturing audit. Now, the audit was for 10 API manufacturing units at their facility in Punjab, and it ended without any observations. So that's what the street is taking heart from, and that's the reason you're seeing the stock up around 12.5 odd percent. It was inspected from the 11th to the 15th of March. Now, separately, there was some news with regards to IOL Chemicals in the past couple of weeks. So on the 19th of Feb, the company's product, metformin hydrochloride, which is basically used for diabetes, was approved by the Center for Drug Evaluation, which is basically the Chinese regulator. So now they will be able to supply this diabetes drug in China. China, remember, is turning out to be a promising market for many pharmaceutical companies which are trying to make inroads there. Now, in terms of guidance which they've provided, which we would probably track going into Q4, is that prices of paracetamol have bottomed out for the company. Prices of inputs and finished prices have now been curtailed, so they don't see any further reduction in input prices according to them. And they expect EBIT margins to probably improve for the API segment going forward. So these are a couple of key takeaways from the guidance for the company. But for today, it's reacting to these 10 units which have given, which have been successfully audited.
And what a reaction at a time when the markets are actually down so much. The mid-cap index down 540 points. This is a stock which is up around 12.5% on that news that came by. But let's